cities. As part of our manifesto commitments, I have directed the Minister of Education to begin engagement with the Islamic Education Unit to strengthen its operations and expand the recruitment and training of qualified Arabic instructors across the country.
Okay, that's His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Minority caucus are threatening. Minority caucus threaten mass protest over unjust Dumso levy. Why are they saying so?
This predatory levy and draw or reduce this predatory levy and instead focus on genuine reforms to improve the efficiency and transparency of the energy sector. I urge all Ghanaians to join us in opposing this unjust and economically devastating tax at all and his government has forced on us. Now, the minority in the coming days, in solidarity with the Ghanaian people, will be staging a number of actions to demand the withdrawal or the reversal of this tax. We consider it draconian, we consider it as insensitive, and we consider it as an action that depicts of a government that is out of touch with the people of this country.
Okay, so that is another prayer. Minority Chief Whip. Abolish the D-levy. Economic Fighters League. Economic Fighters League calls for end to fuel tax and systematic exploitation. Chamber of Oil Marketing Companies, COMAC, declares inability to implement energy sector levy by today, 9 June, because and request 2 weeks transition. Chamber of Oil Marketing Companies, COMAC, say, Sir, energy sector levy now bind the abano. Omun to be found near Juma. Abandon my date of 9th, Nanke Nana Obeko pump. Nanke Daswo. Almost just a moment 2 weeks. Dr. Reverend Opoye, CEO, Association of Marketing, Oil Marketing Companies. Fight against corruption. The law only catches the small fishes. The big men always walk free. One can say OSP, Office of Special Prosecutor.
It is not uncommon to hear citizens ask, why can't I also make money illegally? After all, what will happen? On the streets, the sentiment is sharper. The law only catches the small fishes. The big men always walk free. Your Excellency, this is not cynicism. It is our reality that many have come to accept. It must be borne in mind that the fight against corruption is multifaceted. First, the law always appears to be a step behind criminal innovation. And as technological advancement ushers in marvels hitherto.
Okay, it is just like that. Jando, let's see the price build up on the petrol. Oya TV Nuswa, an act to amend the Energy Sector Levy Act 2025 Act 1135 to increase the rate of the energy sector shortfall and debt repayment levy in order to raise additional revenue to support the payment of energy sector shortfalls, reduce energy sector legacy debt, and stabilize power supply, passed by Parliament and asserted to by the President. Act 1135 as amended, as has been amended, no. The energy sector shortfall and debt repayment levy no any. Bebacho Mushani Ghana for energy sector levy before this amendment. Now you tier 95 pesos on every liter. Oye Ghana niya. Ukoto petrol. Utia say 95 pesos. And I buy the 1 CD account. It is a Siano energy sector levy no. And ya 1 CD BO. And then 95 pesos. And 1 CD 95 pesos on petrol 1 cedi 93 pesos. Before diesel na yetua 93 pesos. Over but you zoom it up when it comes to naphtha fuel 195 pesos, 24 pesos per liter on fuel oil, that is gas oil, and 23 pesos per liter on marine gas oil. But I don't say, I buy say energy sector levy no sikana award no or the kwakwa day shortfalls to say bia omu yi taxes free ada so no akọ here say aban no be yi sika kakra no de kushin utie minority omu say system say Ghana ni hu be ha no pe no aban so de mam kakra omu ni aban ni chaka bia say dollar ba for ma anu ti ba be sika ntomo friend draconian utie nsam ni mu a enei oye Ghana ni na okoto liter bia utia 1 cedi 95 pesos ti asiese kane no na utia 95 pesos eti se woto liter bia sesi a kane na utia 4 cedis 20 pesos sesi a no 4 cedis 50 pesos abeka ho eti sesi a no on every liter sika free wo Ghana ni wo kwa buy ho ye 8 cedis 75 pesos already now utia 4 cedis 20 pesos dada ya buy calculations no say 8 cedis 75 pesos on the dot.
Yes,
8.77. That's right. Eti Ghana ni bia no uto petrol akane na utia liter bia 4 cedis 20 pesos eti sesi ano sika na utia ma ban no a free wo botomba no na na do peso na 4 cedis 20 pesos na utia enye edompani jo mama na ebeji 8 cedis no abom 4 cedis ni wo tesi a wo de 4 cedis 50 pesos sasa be ka ho eti Ghana ni bia auto a liter of petrol utia 8 cedis 75 pesos e was so too much. Azanti Akwaba. Yeah, Akwaba. I hope your weekends were good. We had a long holiday.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah, it was a good food. Good. Cristiano do chess or a penny.
Oh.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Actually, Labi Yamani, Kolane, Ugumuni, Nasa or a penny. He had his moment. Pa, Atika, and Okuta Cup. Omo boy, me who Cristiano Ronaldo was
God on
himself the last
day. They went to me and Yan one.
I'm going my view. Oh, but I was happy.
World Cup is over, baby.
Baba Cup, World Cup with Jenna for.
Portugal. Is it Portugal? No, they don't hear you.
Massa. Now don't go. Mami Gacho. World Cup with Jenna Portugal. There have been seasons. There has been seasons, sir. Team be about World Cup, no be him say team where the quarterfinals go mundu. Okay, baby France. They had the best team. Omo do first round kwa. I know the World Cup je dey jayo.
Omo be
Argentina about World Cup.
Roberto Martinez.
Now obeji you know. Now I build it from 2016 2020 bow. No I semi final, no I finals and the Portugal semi finals ko won the last time Kobe. Yeah, but 2 minutes no abeji. But no cry no so say. This young man from PSG, Mendes.
He said the whole, he said one left back. The whole.
What about there? He cut off Lamia, man.
When you need sana, I'm so very young.
Onyiri.
Okay.
This boy. Oh yeah, no that biaso na minimum the kuntra. That biara no how white or bobola. Oh, Portugal.
Oh, they say what the adopted country. Oh, baby, African baby free by.
Oh, free African be Nuno Mendes.
I said black you free. And I do ball.
Nuno Mendes why Portuguese. Okay, now Lami Yama so free Spain.
Almost free Morocco baby ana.
Lami Yama am to the bill say Congo baby say fam. I say we nyina understand.
Ne papa free.
Yahweh, Lami Yama. Oh yes, Spanish. France ni boy ya. Or you very good dribbler pa. Or Bayern Munich.
Yes.
No, Crystal Palace no call. Or you left footed odi bobo pa young guy bisa.
Checky biamba. I want checky.
Oh yeah dey. Onfi Nigeria.
Yes.
Ko here there mo hwam de ye ni atoto maguma. Asem ni nyina ko wie say. And they know football no akoda. Yen kan yesu ebotom asem. Ya ma me sha say free ho. On the I'm up for calling, but I can tell you there is a mass protest against this money. This
D
levy no. I mean, she Obia has all Kasanami who Obia has all supporting apart from NDC communication trying to tell us across board. People who are even who were sympathetic to the NDC cause during the election campaign, you can hear say they are withdrawing from that thing.
Yes.
And I know who Papa be saying Shamima Muslim name. I'm proud to say they are proud. No more muchebi. They don't buy petrol, so like I say you are proud to pay. You are proud to pay for wine.
Yes.
Yeah, what me too.
I got that. I say. It was a surprise. Send Ghana phone na yenhune baby on say normally Bianca government.
Obeja hint of it.
Kakra ebia in the budget and I say be a minority for no craba betie na so sa bind the BB ba. All of a sudden Adeakye anopa and you say parliament etna say anadwo no ema omo edi BB say aba it take effect. Me who say oil marketing companies no akache GR say nyade ade no betimi astart agege
almost just 2 weeks.
Mama tese say government ni omo negotiate say hopefully be a next week nanka
omo de mama 2 weeks. Say 2 weeks na ma nyade ombe.
Ade no eye who say na President John Dramani Mahama egusuwa enjoy ne honeymoon no.
That's right.
Especially timer dollar ne start say 80 aba from
and dollar ne da say dollar ne peja ni mu during the weekend.
Ghana rate 10.2 and pay.
One more 10.2 na to since a year. Since last week Wednesday no man na dollar ne nam 12 ni na 10.2 na.
No say anopay
okay
Ghana.
Yeah, my name Dr. Rivers and Opon, CEO Association of Oil Marketing Company. Doc, good morning.
Good morning, Naja.
Now what to say?
Nyamina domboko na woswe.
Yes, you want your pa. Rashabeja for Kotrasi. Amendment to Energy Sector Levy. Act 1135. Ako we say oil marketing companies mo implement it. They have to say it's not possible say and set date mo ntimi nye. Just say omumamo 2 weeks. Bepacho what is the bottleneck? There na ma be amuntumi implementing na mo implement so a ebe ha mo kwan ben so wada roma yeti wa no pay.
Okay, aja me cha obi eno tie for na anopai eye Jordan we ho ya. Gibisa. No kwa sene woka no eye energy sector amendment 2025 that looks at 1135 no. And yes, say number of oil marketing companies and say OMCs no, some kind of filling stations no. Yeah, against. Your concerns are say implement here. Of course, generally no. I say ubiati as I say. Can be a baby no. Yebema omomoto no. That's off the case na etua. Obianwa obe fasaka no. Because it's here I can say offer ESLA, any other taxes, any levies, any UPPF, no matter you was franco you want. And no taking more than 20% of the cost. Into tofu or pumper already no would 20% into taxes and levies. I feel what is I want to be become 32. abra me members now omo investment e de omo sika etu amanfo kai adwuma no omo nya even up to 5% of the pump price aden boni be ne aye eno to no eye we say yen sha see from ne let any banra 8 a.m. Sunday ya date no Friday obia holiday ye wi netwinam ye nyan kam for den e de abraye
no
na also implementing in there. Something that they don't understand is that we call something cash and carry oil marketing companies. Some of them prepay the taxes before they lift. So that means that no Sunday no was say Ghana Commercial Bank and I say GCB and I say Eco Bank and I say Zen Bank, Zenith Bank, Eco BA Bank, no 9 million Emma station, Emma OMC to pay the tax upfront. A bank when I be minia. Amount for so or more log in deals are Oma place last Thursday. Because of Friday into no Omanhene Yaw, the Alma check out. Ni na become. No so. Na nyame kwa nim. It can take years. Systems are too slow and weak to adapt to certain things. And the whole industry was shocked. First of all, we were shocked with this levy. Well, that is one. And see why. Then we bring another shocking news a week and say we should start on Monday. I mean, personally, you're not ready. You understand? So that's our concern. That's the primary concern. Aside this, no, so yeah, can I say there are other fuels that are heavily subsidized. So one city way and come, I say come, it will bring fair competition in the industry.
But say other fuels na fuels burn away and come ufi say and also emwa.
Say mupiska. I don't know fa one city in cancer fuel no. MGO local, for example. What you say? Say no so diesel. I'll say account.
But what's it the MGO lookup? Say
yes, MGO. Diesel ya unia.
Diesel no.
Your diesel be a coffee station, your diesel be a diesel no. Look many times no. Back to the station. When it's a heavily subsidized. It brings a lot of pressure on a regulator for people to load, and we don't want that to happen. To move on at the same level for fair play.
Now, what are Romao? Sesiano say modi way be kan ho a na je say be sa ma fuel no asa price na asa page animu e ba sa na
ho enedi dia and ke kan ho enedi and believe me say ka fu beton ko 14 cedis highly possible
14 cities.
I free sale 11 point. Possible pa and the can because you see, I buy you 1 city, but you 1 city, you millions so.
Yes,
because free bank echo to your tax now and end of the month mutual interest of 20 plus %. Then second one and
it means that abandon 1 city no will not only be what you will adjust because
1.2 around 1.2 for sure.
Most of 1.2.
You have to raise capital.
Okay.
Working capital is comes with a cost.
Okay. There is no 1 city be a 20 pesos best account.
I said interest rates from the bank.
Okay.
Any bond rates no.
Okay. Okay. Ejesi ano money buying kita udie ne ba ko si say mo
enti say dey kan ko si ni say omo this week na yem fa emo aboye ho any negotiations ye have no hope say by Wednesday no because and pa ya chance here na hope say by Wednesday no bi ya ni beje na Monday ni ya ruling ya pa ama ba ni aje na yesu ni aje
na me pa cho mpempi aban ne mushia edi nkita ho ansana levy bia na bibi se ba aba ada na we de amanisa
we de busa biom musa bi mo opanyi enti ekoba no akoye se chamber no ye against aban input to apostle ye enti no make count TV3 say the chamber is not a political chamber. We manage 245 oil and LPG marketing companies. Bako pen ya bind ya e go enti ye nye abadwuma wa ha ye very private ti ye kan ya dwen ye kan de MY ye kan de MY industry sector no sector contribute 10% to the GDP there. What if any agrosa who say you aban billions of cedis. What you say it you can't take us for granted. They are equally important. There's no engagement.
Okay. Dr. Rivers no pon me do asiano pay. Okay. Dr. Rivers no pon na energy chain command no pay no. Yaw. What you know? I it's quite something. Obia antiasie. Now let me tell you some funny thing. Me didn't come on baby. Now when him says deal we all. Sa levy way. The levy was supposed to go to a certain tax. Nanya fuel we near the babet we near babao.
Nenke o say
kwa boa fire service.
Not the fire service.
Thank you. It was not, but idea never told na Ministry of Finance normally ayi who said be masa na ebetimi de adwuma kakra ansana ejuti o mampena o say energy sector levy no abugina po be ka say enya de omode kwa kotua ayi short ekano na ebom ekoto fuel
omde koto petrol
ejo so mampeni be ka say obubaji jine kakra na edrumre bia it will shift na akwa kotua ekano for the time being there cause abugina po so nim so no na da bia yidika so no be tutu mu ade ni so beka. I can tell you for a fact with no shred of equivocation say this levy wasn't for this petrol issue cry. It was an arrangement tank betimi ama fire tenders no niema ayenie no ka be kwa akoboa kotua eka bi wo ekwa akoto etuo bi so and when the idea came no it became a smart move. Let's move quickly. And energy finance kabo muna so if you realize that it came under a certificate of agency, and as at 11:12 midnight
within 2 days now you pass it
and adjuna no pass Adeakye Abia mampani san ye
akota eno ne ma de bia as adewe me kan ne menya dwene but me adewe me hu say hang parliament Ghana for up the bia you make sure say benya hang parliament in parliament
sanokure mu ni sadie we 107 can pass you
see that ebi ni ejapa de ekokuri edu ba bi omu budozi ya de wuram say pass ba no mu ntimi mfa nya adwuma so akota we they have the numbers uko work out uye dede ubo nsema ma de 188 oba pass na wakone baby akota papa yi calculation o na no pay di train na ye say e basa a liter of fuel say o ka kire ye no na ye say by next week no e betima ko be 14 Ghana cedis
na ye say wa ka kire say be ko 14
na ye say
because the 20 pesos better so
na ye say dollar say so atene ho amfaso amayo
and the dollar is only a component on the price build up no niama ema dollar no ema petrol ba form no
yes
dollar is only a component
yes
as a dollar no dey koto it is a dollar ba form now local pricing no because of a tax esa peja dollar not shortfall and a dollar na atiaba form no faso amaso
faso bi eni so because esa kukura ko gina 14 cedis na ne dollar esoteye crude oil price you see free 127 about 50 something we say 60 something no na kota 64 na emfaso e ba so e ma Ghana for e dey
so omo dey gist aso ayaw only 14 omo ke enya 14 point BBO
14
then we have gone back to Akufuado because as at January 7th liter was 14.75
yes
Asat.
Yes.
Sisi 11 point.
The list here
11.45.
And now almost say.
And almost say November 14.
12 points.
Later never
4 something.
1 city 20 pesos.
And once when the person all the can will be say.
Pacho ono aye calculation so.
So almost say 11 to 11 quote.
11 point something.
11.5.
11.6.
Go for the 12.45.
Very good. Let's go on the 12.45. Now on the 1 city 20 pesos multiply by 4.5 account why say
about 14 cities.
I bet you are broke.
Yes.
We have gone back to January 7th this year. Petrol was 14.75. Now there's been a shortfall, a windfall. Let me say that. I'm a petrol about 12. What do you ever say 12 here? You see, I go back to 14 now, and you're 14 point something.
Yeah.
So dollar now, so remember Ghana for 1 high, you know. If I swam, so
Ghana for you, so see who toy any na politicians.
And no, na me busa sa day.
The ordinary citizen no enya as a respite kakra. Yenya as a ahonto kakra. Yehu say bia okay system no. Eniema so ti afa nipa no. Ne budget
obetimi adjust the budget amonya kakra to
all of a sudden politician need the bibia be say baby bam na fei na a change nipa na bra boni ni bibia ase me hu say ordinary Ghanaian no say ye ho to ye na say ye nya asumdue kakra na politician no so no otene ba bi na asumdue na ope sana me hu no akutade we sa na kire because say ordinary Ghanaian asumdue no a some politician who know how because akota hwe lorry fare so take kakra petrol so tie the pressure ko go adwarifo so monteti o moni ama so ne ade na ban na hu so wo afa du ba bi kra na amafo ka bi ma ban sa mo adwarifo mo na mutiri mo de
e se ano
eti se ko yese
GPR2 force se petrol no ko 14 na o be sa pagya mo
na so akoto omudi pagya
utimi nya no she
na make us
na the say adwarifo no sa pagya mo
akota na make us bi say petrol ni ade a ohun so don sakaka ne kitikiti ya ade e ka wo manim no hwe adwarifo no virtually bibia o wokoto cement wokoto mo wokoto anwa dingina odigu kam transport e basa transportation fare e articulator no se be form one bag se na me say one city because ya tu eniama bebre
azante ma mitio
oh my we on the last tell them because a poor communication enkuta hudie no na anko yi in as much as NDC will absolute majority in parliament now, we at least expect this how you're going to use the majority to champion even the cause of this state, because Mimi Huni say one abandon by with the issue of the debt at Yene IPPC no omaka say ombe privatization na akwa nkran na organized labor and source omompene ti abano ehome so mra dala no koso no ehwe ase kakra ka ne Ghana sikarum yedu no they told say they had a space na when you didn't say we engage this enu answer my ko na ma daba for the cat petrol atem case
15%.
So why don't you engage them? Engage the driver for Mr. Remo. This is the situation. What are you going to do? Okay, yamau 50 this for 1 city no per letter no okay any any work we share enjoy instead of 4 cities no cry yen for 2 cities senye day ento so na ebia ye ma ye ho for 1 year na de betu aka na ye ma ye ho 2 years maja what you say
okay
yentimi sumuni nyina enwu we no so na ye enjoy okay once you know 50 pesos no kwa do so yen 40 pesos the most important now aban now I expect say the line number for mama when you opportunity to you enti no saba me amfani nyina nkwashem se chinchina 1 city all of a sudden there be empanifo say e come de wa yemfa ensam yenu nyina yedey any di enti na wo say
one issue nie ukọ budget ni mo a aban no ato forcing the dollar ato 15
or almost what about 12.40
say $1 to 15 enu ti no ejama so petrol ni niam a yekoto no ya hihye ne say dollar no ai de beto ayi irakoton ye petrol no ye benya 15 cocoa ye benya 15 cedis gold ye benya 15 cedis eti in the budget the dollar is pegged 1.15. Eti eso artist esiano. Asaso affect aban no sika.
No correct.
Afen ya wate.
And the crowd kwakoye duty crowd port wa. Say okra car na say okwakoye a. The Bank of Ghana rate and a amount.
Which is 10.2 no. Can you 15? Do you know how much money in cities are now buying ya? See swap to bet 3 cities.
Abanya 15 cities abrena.
You see Obenya 10, which is 5 cities.
The sika matocracy and say revenue be was a government raise. Say be ya. We say you need that World Bank for.
Yeah, that's right.
Support. We also reach a certain limit and sana says Canaba.
Okay. Asante, I no a budget no with this dollar drop no there is a loophole sika wa target ya fe no then sabe kan dollar na so te no and no tin say strategically oma pegi dollar no 10-12 because omu jai dollar no na free fall no saba abani revenue bi a also onya no from export onya eti ano na omu pese omu di we no ye na komo di afili gap no. But as Asante said, how many stakeholders are in Komo? The oil marketing company, Papa, who count to say before no more.
Oh, yes.
Or see or no, they were a private company. It's interest. You see only now one city no. Almost an interest of 20% to swam my
depending on the bank the budget too.
Yes.
So depending say me baba je bosia e wo Omanhene bank wonu na bia kwakokra petrol diesel no. Ti bosia na me baba je free ho no no. Sa one city na me de to so no. Wo interest a wo de be ma me.
Say say o ma 40 o ka 40% per ye o mo de be to swam my.
Yes.
And to my me and the me can say yen debt owing to the IPPs, you know, it is going up every day. So, what is the alternatives we are Ghana for? You bet me, I don't now, yet you can free home.
So, there should be a stakeholder consultation.
On make us 50 pesos. You bet me 50 pesos a free way. So, instead of saying, a basana said, "Be animunya abaning and a first quarter." No, ayira. And the basana, oh, how about you too? Ebia, several 0.00 to Sukranoa. You bet me. Ebia salary be near 50 pesos. You bet me a ya chichen kitten.
Okay, spread.
And me mum dear, me who's on my argument. I ask myself, what is the alternative? Then now, you answer mempre no. Then I also suggested to the state. Also, make some suggestions because a ban who says, I want to into us. Or just can you everyone the next day now? Yenny almost smugu so. Adaba for soon will be a soon. Where am a month for 3 a month for comadrum and the entrance. May Mr. Mia government looking at the impact of this particular increment, you know, and can make sure saying that will re-engage them because you were bear 6 months more. And now my dear Mason cut to us and say. Adiana wo dia ba consultation kura head ankoy now we say omo implement it and it's you are not being fair to the people.
All right, you are not being fair on that note. The man is here and his name is Orlando or all the sports on tip off Ebano Pay. Let's listen to the.
All right, my entire on an opinion more akwaba kesi and Sambra Sompa 93.1Fm Sompa TV. So yatana say agudi yamun sama yatune de tip off and I de bro and an opage kum blanks in junior ubetimi afremi Orlando miniminia Ember Power na unim se sabre Cristiano Ronaldo wetimi agide Portugal for no ama omatimi anya almost second. They say national team trophy we know esombo edema Cristiano Ronaldo pa enti ene Ember the details no nyina enso the brown na ene no ye shen samna say every seminary the Ghana Premier League. Finally, you draw the curtains down. Baby, any Gold Stars are the champions of the League 2024-2025 season. My TV AJ and so Eddie SC Omana so now man sanano mama me league results last round of matches results so yes yen share the way here Accra House of Folk etna Accra Sports Stadium ɛhyɛ samates ɛka baako a ɔmo ɛntimi ante baabi ani gold stars ɔmo hyɛ ɛka no baako ɛnan ɛnso ɛde tia Accra Lions a ɔmo ɛntimi ante Dreams FC ɔmo ɛnso ɛhyɛ ɛka ɛnan ɛma Lagos Cities ɛte ɛka no baako ɛyɛ Bechem United ɛhyɛ baako Young Apostles ɔmo ɛntimi ante ɛka no ɛna afei nso Aduana Stars ɛhyɛ mmiɛnsa ɛma Baseke Holy Stars ɔmo te ɛka no baako Nations FC na obiara nim sɛ Nations FC wini league no wini game wey nanka ayade say league no decided on case no nanso ankobasa Nations etrefie ema Heart of Lions coach Bashir for nenem rantie no share Nations ekam yenu omo entimi ante Mediama enso etrefie ema Brekum Chelsea ekocho omo ekam yenu a omo te ekanim bako en offensive Vision FC and omo